And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit to make the final submission and create the account. So
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a Payoneer account that can send and receive money anywhere you are, be it in Africa, Europe or any other continent that you are. So and I'm going to be doing that in a step-by-step guide. So let's get started.
So head on to payoneer.com. So once you're on the website, you scroll a little bit, then click on the sign up now tab located on the front page of the website. So once you click on it, it will take you to where you're going to make your first registration. So enter your name and then your last name. So once you've done that, you enter your phone number, which is your mobile number you use in receiving calls and messages. So the next is your work email. So if you have a work email, just enter it there. So the next is your registered business name. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Your website, if you don't also have it, you can skip it. So the next stop is where you're going to be talking about your business. But before then, you can choose whether you want to receive email from Payoneer about their products and services or not. So you proceed in choosing your options as soon as possible. So while making your option, it's important to choose the first option, which says, I would like to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotions and events. It will help you to easily get email updates from Payoneer regarding their products and services. On whenever they have any policy change, you will be communicated as soon as possible. So that's the reason why you should leave it as option 1. So once you are done doing that, then we'll continue. So this part right here is where you're going to be talking about what you're using the Payoneer account that you are creating for. Whether you are using it to receive payment only, or to send payment, or to do both. So right here you can make your option depending on what you are using the Payoneer account for. But for me, I'm going to be choosing the I am both sending and receiving overseas payment. In that way, I can easily send money overseas and also receive money whenever the case may be. And I'm advising you to choose the same option. So after I'm done doing that, the next thing you're going to be choosing is the legal structure of our business. So what type of business are you running? Is it sole proprietorship, registered company or partnership, or not registered freelancers? So I'm going to be choosing not registered freelancer. And if you don't have any registered business, I'm expecting you to choose the same thing. So the next thing is choosing how many people are in your company. So I'm going to be choosing just me because I don't have anybody in my company. So right here, I'm going to be choosing international entity. So I'm going to be choosing none as of now. And then how do you receive your cross-border payment? I'm going to be receiving my cross-border payment through freelancers, platform and business client. So that's the option I'm going to be choosing. So what's your estimated earnings? I'm going to be choosing more than 50,000 USD. Then I will click on next to continue. So right here, I'm going to be clicking on the complete registration tab for me to complete the final phase of the registration. So once I click on it, this is the page it's going to be redirecting me to, where I'm going to be doing the final phase of the registration. So right here, I'm going to be inputting my date of birth. So I'm going to be inputting the month, the year and the day that I was born. So once I'm done doing that, the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is to click on next to continue. So on this page given, I'm going to be inputting my street name and number right there. So after I'm done that, I'm going to be inputting my phone number, which is the phone number I'm going to be using to get the verification code I'm going to be using to verify this account. So let me proceed in putting the phone number right there. So once I'm done, I'll click on send code and then I will solve the puzzle. So this part right here, this part of solving puzzle can be the complex part of creating this Payoneer account. So if you're not careful, you can be here for just forever if you're not careful on how you solve the puzzle. So you need to carefully solve the puzzle so that you can pass the security check and continue with your account creation. So guys, I've successfully completed the puzzle right there. So you can see it right there, verification complete. So I will proceed. So I will click on the send code right there for me to get my code. So in getting this code, if you do not see your own, you can also request for another code, but I've seen mine right now, so I'm going to be imputing it immediately. So without wasting your time, I'm going to rush to impute this as fast as possible. So I'm done imputing it. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on next. So right here is where I'm going to be imputing security details such as my password and my security questions, including my national ID. So first off, I'm going to be answering the security question before I proceed in imputing my password and re-entering the password. So I'm going to be imputing the security question and answer. And once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to enter my password and then re-entering the password that I just entered. After that, the next thing on the line is to enter my national identity number. So this is a number that is in my national identity card. So I'm going to be entering that number right now to continue what I'm doing. So once I'm done imputing the number, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on next. So on this page is where I'm going to be imputing my bank details. And as you can see, the country there is Nigeria, which is where I reside. And then you can see the what is it called, the currency, which is Nigerian naira. And then I'm going to be imputing my bank right there. On that third option there, you can see bank name, example National Bank of Nigeria. So that's where I'm going to be imputing my bank name. So the account holder name, I'm going to be imputing the account holder name, which is there, and then I'm going to be imputing my account number, which is the last option shown there. So these are the 5 things that I'm going to be doing right here immediately. So I will proceed right now to impute my bank name, which is what I'm doing right now. So once I'm done doing that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is scrolling down to the bottom and then imputing my account number. So right now I'm done imputing my account number and every other details required of me, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit to make the final submission and create the account. So as you can see, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So once a Payoneer card, you can order one. You are now in the step 2 of the application process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. So that's it. And also you need to have in mind that the only time you can start using your Payoneer account is when your account application is being approved. Or if it's not approved, you can't use it. But if it's approved, you can start using it. And then so I'm going to be checking my email now to know if they have sent me an email of reviewing my application or any response. So let me head on to my email right now. So guys, I'm in my mailbox right now and this is the only message that has been sent to me right to my mailbox. You can see, we are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. It will take up to 3 business days once approved. We will send you an email and you can start receiving payment. Meanwhile, you can learn more about Payoneer's payment services by reading the fact. If you have any questions, contact us. Your customer ID is, so that's my customer ID. So we already know where this email is heading to, which is what they are telling us, that we should wait for 3 business days or even less for we to get a reply whether my account is being approved or not approved. So these are the processes you need to go for you to create Payoneer account, and that is all for this video. So thanks for watching guys, and see you guys in the next video.